I'm writer director C.S. Nag with Wake Up India. In today's episode number 18, titled Locked Out of Vaccine, I will talk about how an acute shortage of vaccines in India has driven people to desperation as the government has failed to deliver on its promises. India's Supreme Court has now stepped in to challenge the Modi government's claims of vaccinating up to 900 million citizens of India by the end of the year. As the second wave of the virus tightened its grip on the country, India overtook Brazil and the US to become the corona capital of the world. With a massive third wave expected by the end of the year, the country is in jitters, having lost faith in its government to deliver on its promises long ago. The virus is killing up to 3,000 people every day, and the government has fallen woefully behind its goal of giving 400 to 500 million shots by July. So far, India has given out 220 million doses, and only 4% of its population of 1.3 billion, that is only 50 million people, have been fully vaccinated so far with 2 doses. Vaccinating all of India's 1.3 billion citizens with 2 doses will take 1.5 billion more doses. To make matters worse, a vaccine shortage has now hit Modi's campaign, exposing his lies of being self-sufficient and being in a position to export the vaccine to other countries. A messy dispute between him and other state governments over vaccine procurement has now come up to make a bad situation even worse. State governments have been forced to compete for limited supplies of Covaxin and Covishield, who are being forced to meet the central government's demands. A major scandal arose over Bharat Biotech's planned export of 20 million doses of Covaxin to Brazil in a $300 billion deal. An invoice payment of $45 million sent by a Madison Biotech company, an offshore firm in Singapore, which is not on the government contract, has raised the spectre of a vaccine scam dubbed Covaxin Gate by the Indian media. Now the Supreme Court's demand to Modi's government to explain how it plans to inoculate 900 billion people by the end of this year has put the Chowkidar in the dock. Wake up, India. Make sure that Chowkidar's lockdown does not lock you and your family out of safety and security.
जिसका हमें था इंतजार, जिसके लिए सब थे बेकरार। वैक्सीन वो आ गई, सबको लगनी है और सबको लगवाना है। कोई छूटे ना, कोई भी रह जाना है। इन पे क्या गुजरी तुम क्या जानो, कुछ तो सोचो ओ दीवानो। वैक्सीन पे ना भ्रम फैलाओ, लगवा लो वैक्सीन मेरी मानो। बीजेपी की वैक्सीन भरोसा न जताएंगे, जीतेंगे इलेक्शन तब हम फिर ही लगवाएंगे। वैक्सीन ना भाई रे ना, फिर भी हमें तो तुमको समझाना है। सबको लगनी है और सबको लगवाना है। जिसका हमें था इंतजार, जिसके लिए सब थे बेकरार। वैक्सीन वो आ गई, सबको लगनी है और सबको लगवाना है। कोई छूटे ना, कोई भी रह जाना है। समझे?